How's everyone doing? Hope everyone's doing well. Welcome to the second cipher to complete this cipher. Yeah, the second half of the cipher to complete it. Complete the 360. What's going on? I'm Dwayne, and hopefully you're doing well. So the video should be live. You should be seeing me. And also, hey Tanya, how you doing? Thanks for stopping by. Appreciate you. What are you going to be working on? So while you tell me that, hey, so a couple of new things. I actually, because I was having issues with the microphone cutting out, and it seemed like it was always the last session of the day. And so hopefully to make that work, hopefully to fix that, or at least know when it happens, is I added an audio level. So on my end, I can see. So if it goes out, hopefully the audio level will stop and I know to do it. So, oh, nice. So Tanya's going to be working on the outline for the talk later this month. And on the sports API. Okay, nice. So I actually have, Tanya and I work at the same place, Vonage. So she's got a talk that she's doing at a conference. And I have a workshop that I'll be doing later this week. And we're going to be building voice applications and stuff. So it should be pretty cool. So you'll be able to call like yourself from a phone to the browser, to the phone, and then between two different browsers, be able to have like audio chat. So that should be pretty cool. If you're interested in that, just hit me up. I'm on Twitter, lifelong dev. It's there or whatever. Or just send me a message here or what have you. So, all right. So that's that. Cool. Thank you again, Tanya, for swinging by, and good luck, with everything. All right, so a couple more things. I've got to get a better way of being able to do all this stuff here. Not that one. Give me a second. I'm just pulling up the website, I think. All right, here we go. So let me share my screen real quick. I want to show you some new things. And this isn't new, but if you look at the video player that you're watching now, below there should be a button that says, there's a button that says open closed captions. So I'm doing speech recognition. So you'll be able to follow along, hopefully, depending on how well the speech recognition does. You'll be able to kind of read along with what I'm saying. Also, below that, there's add a clip and create a highlights video. So I've been playing around with it, and I think I got the styling a little bit better. So if there's anything that you find interesting that happens, you just go ahead and click the add a clip, and then you get to add 5 of them. And then once you're done, you hit create a highlights video, and then when the video's over, be able to, in the back end, is going to create a highlight video, and then you'll be able to check it out, download it, upload it to Instagram or whatever, or just hit the button to send a tweet, and it'll populate a tweet, and the preview video in the tweet will be your video. So I spoke about how it works a little bit earlier, so you can check that out. And you can check it out because I got the all right, so here's the front page. So untilit.works. And then the videos section, the archive section. Previously, it would just say, hey, the recorded sessions will be here. And so I was able to actually get that worked out this week. So the issue was getting thumbnails. And so right now my thumbnails are coming up black, but I think I figured it out. So hopefully after this session, because it's all automatically generated. And I'll talk about that in the next break session of how I got that worked out. So right now it's black. I think I figured it out. So if you come back to here, you should see this, the recording of this session with a thumbnail. So basically all you have to do is just click and it shows the video. And I'm using Vimeo, and I will talk about that also. But so then you just go back and check everything out. Cool. And now the shop. So in the shop now, Actually, there's a 20% off everything sale happening. I don't control that because I'm using a company called Spreadshirt. I designed the t-shirts. I've been doing it since like middle school into high school. I've made quite a bit of money from it, thinking about it, especially from thinking like about it in high school, even into college. And so I would actually screen print t-shirts. And so now I know, like I even worked in a screen printing shop. And so now I know like the work that goes into it. So I appreciate, I understand the difficulty of it. And so I appreciate companies that will do it for you. So shout out to all the companies, screen printing shops out there. I know the work that goes into it. So, and I do like simple, like 1-2 color stuff. So, but here, so, okay. So neither here nor there again. So there's in the shop, if you go to untilit.works/shop or whatever. So yeah, so here's the different shirts. I'm actually wearing one of the shirts. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, it's a Spread Love shirt, and which is this one here. And but the one that just released, the new one, the new is this one, and I call it the. You can get in different colors and stuff, but let's just look at this one here. So I called it knowledge. Knowledge is the key, and for all my coding folks, you may recognize that that's an object, and so knowledge is actually the key. And people say, knowledge is the key to power. So I was like, oh, look, bam, there you go, in coding. So this it goes into the whole hip hop and code thing that I've been kind of into and been doing shirts and designs with. So there's the knowledge is the key. Let me see. Let me go back. So then we got other shirts. Like I said, we got the Spread Love. We got the hip hop brackets. For all my JavaScript folks, don't lose context. This, get it? Okay, fine. Any Outcast fans, we got the Get Up, Get Out, Get Something. And then other stuff I've done for a while, like I support dope local hip hop. For my people, good times. Remember good times? So we got good rhymes, and we got them. And there's a whole bunch of stuff. Like this one, the hip hop, I like it. I've made so much money from this t-shirt. Like it was like a top seller, like on an underground hiphop.com, which is like a large independent like store. And yeah, I would like every week they would order more and more shirts. I'll just be in the garage, just pumping out shirts. And so, yeah, No Better Hip Hop. That's like the radio show that I do. And then this one was like All Day, Day, another like Outcast reference, but like it's like your error. So yeah, and there's a whole bunch of stuff. And then like here's the hip hop and code, and then answer to all coding questions. It depends. So yeah, I don't think I said that I've had this shop here before. So since there's a sale going on, I wanted to just announce that. So there's a bunch of stuff you can. So it's not just t-shirts, but you can get them on like people have ordered like string backpacks, like get them on cups, all sorts of stuff that I don't have to worry about inventory because that's a whole nother thing. Like having when I was screen printing it myself, doing inventory and making sure I had the shirts and the sizes, and then like it was just So I'm just happy there's companies that could do this stuff online, and it's good quality. So I wouldn't have used them if it wasn't good quality. So yeah, they do I think it's like printing. It's not like screen printing, but like some sort of printing. I don't know. I dig it. So I think it's pretty cool. All right. Also, I think, was that everything? Yeah, I think that's pretty much everything. So hopefully everyone is getting this stuff done. Hopefully it's a productive cipher for everyone. And yeah, let me know, reach out if you need anything. Don't forget that I'm going to be adding more tutorials. That's one of the things I want to get done during this cipher is add more tutorials to the tutorial section. If you have any tutorials that you find helpful, feel free to add those along as well. If you get stuck with whatever it is that you're working on, you can always send out a Hako. Again, that's help a coder/creator out. And that's where you'll be able to basically set up a room, and then you can share your screen, and then you can invite people. And then hopefully as a collective, you work on a project and get it all worked out, hopefully, so, and there's like audio chat in there and the same speech to text and text to speech. So there's that. What else? I think that's pretty much everything. I'm just really hoping that this thumbnail thing works. So yeah, so check that out. So if it does, well, I'm going to talk about how I got it to work, because there are some issues I ran into that had to go around. So you may run into similar things. So who knows? So I like to think, once I get stuff working, just kind of let it out there like, yo, this is how I got it working. If you have any other ways, please let me know. Try it out yourself, Yeah. So cool. So we talked about the shop. We talked about the Hakos. We talked about the tutorials. Oh, if you're working on anything cool and you want to do like a lightning talk / show and tell, feel free to set one up. That'd be great. So kind of, it's like 5-10 minutes, just kind of quickly going over what you're finding interesting, and yeah. So there's that. What else? We spoke about the highlight video stuff. So go ahead and test that out for me, please. That'd be great. Create your own highlight video. I'm going to be running, like, once I get everything worked out, I'm going to start running contests for like t-shirts or like online courses or whatever. So look out for that. But I just kind of want to fine tune things to make sure things are working properly. But yeah, we spoke about the t-shirts and everything. So yeah, that's pretty much it, I think. So again, thanks everyone for hanging out. Thank you, Tanya, for getting to the chat room. Appreciate you. And good luck with your outline for your talk. What you gave in the session, the talk prep session, was really great. So I know it's going to be a great talk. So anybody check out Tanya's talk. You know what I mean? Super cool. Going to be comparing, was it Flask and Fast API, which is pretty cool. So shouts to Tanya. Give her a follow on Twitter or what have you. And I think that's it. So cool. Now let me stop sharing, I guess. Let me see here. I still need to get all this stuff worked out. Stop screen share. So, okay, should be back. And then I'm still working on like the dashboard and how everything is going to like work together. So thank you for bearing with me. This is like the 3rd week we're doing this. So, not too bad. Let's see. Where is this? What happened to the slides? Where did the slide go? I think this is it. Yeah, here we go. All right, cool. So yeah, I think that's going to be it. Let me get this going. So again, feel free, hit me up if you need anything. I'm just going to be working on stuff, some tutorial stuff, doing laundry. And I finished the actual radio show post promo work. So I got that done earlier, feeling good. And yeah, I think that's it. So again, thanks everybody for coming through. Hold on, before I share the screen, let me set the timer for the next session. So 15 minutes after the hour or when the break sessions happen. All right, so I'm about to send you on your way. Thank you once again for hanging out. Share my screen. Give me time goes by so quickly. All right, now let me share this screen here. Share my audio. Cool. Thank you all once again. And I'm going to have Nujabez and Apani B say thank you.
Let me start from the heart. I just want to stay. I thank you all for showing love to me. I appreciate this unique opportunity. I'm going to rock so hard you never stop supporting me. I'm going to show you how music is more meaning to life. I thank you all for showing love to me. I appreciate this unique opportunity. I'm going to rock so hard you never stop supporting me. I'm going to show you how music is more meaning to life. But let me start from the heart. I just want to stay. I thank you all for showing love to me.